Good evening. Auntie.
Coffee and tea. Only coffee and tea here, Bebe Love. They don't have the chocolate.
I want the coffee.
No
Ngek!
coffee.
You cannot coffee! Magandang gabi! Nandito po tayo sa Ueno ngayon. Papunta kami ng station dahil pupunta po tayo sa Shinjuku. Maganda doon paggabi, guys. Doon yung Godzilla head. We are still in Japan. Matagal-tagal pa tayo dito dahil gusto naming namnamin ang Japan kaya hindi natin alam kailan na naman tayo makabalik. Wala kaming sinasayang na panahon, guys. Buti itong stroller ni Nathan kay makahiga lang siya. Di ba wala tayong problema kung antok siya, tulog siya diyan.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
Wala pang plano ang dinner natin kay mga busog pa. Pero parang feel ko diba? Parang ramen na parang steak. Nathan, what do you want to eat tonight?
Sushi.
Ay, wow! I'm done with sushi, please. We always eat sushi here in Japan.
I want to eat sushi.
Let's not eat sushi because I don't like it anymore.
I want sushi. I want sushi.
Always sushi.
But
Every day
I want
sushi. Every night sushi.
Yes, I want sushi.
How about ramen?
Sushi, sushi.
Look how busy it is, guys. So busy. Grabe ang pasahero. Nandito na po tayo sa Shinjuku. Busy ngayon kasi pauwian ng mga nagtrabaho, mga estudyante. Parang mga langgam, guys. Kadami. Laban lang. Makakalabas din tayo dito, guys. Welcome to Shinjuku, everybody. Welcome back. Labas na siya ng camera niya, oh. Si Daniel at si Nata naiwan pa sa taas. Kaya napuno na ang elevator. Hi! We are back here. This is Shinjuku. You see all the lights in the world. Diba? It's very different. It hits different, guys. When it's evening. Hanap-hanap na lang din tayo ng makainan habang naglalakad tayo. Pero hinahanap ko ang Ichiran. Grabe dito, no? Japan na Japan. Kakaiba. Tingnan yung Adidas, kalaki-laki. Ang Zara. Anong benta nila dyan? Mga fries, mga corn dog. Ito naman, muffins. Kilala po ang Shinjuku sa nightlife. Dito talaga ang mga nightlife, mga bar. Dito po, no? At saka nagtingin-tingin ako ng mga hotel dito. Kay dito sana, kay Big City to siya. Pati ang Shibuya. Kaso, sobrang mahal. Hindi normal ang presyo, guys. Kaya tingnan nyo din. Oh, ibang-iba doon sa apartment natin banda, di ba? Doon wala ka talaga makita na mga ganito ka lighting. Tingnan muna natin kung merong ano yan, available spot sa Ichiran or kung maghintay ba tayo ng matagal. Eh baka mga tag 2 hours, 1 hour naman ang hintayin natin. Hindi tayo magkain dito, no? There, Ichiran. Wala mang linya. Here, my love. Wala siyang pila. Waiting line na nagkuha ng ticket 1 hour. Maghintay na kami kay kumain may mga bata. Okay lang, hindi ito gutom. Tapos si Daniel nag-snack din po kanina. Sige na lang, maghintay na lang tayo kay kailangan talaga ito makainan bago tayo maka-uwi. Medyo matagal-tagal pa man tayo mag-uwi, no? Pero kay nag-crave for the ramen. si Derich, binigay ko sa kanya ang phone ko para makapaglakad-lakad siya, maghanap-hanap siya ng mga damit na gusto niya. Ito ding isa, sabi niya pa, it's fine, he wants to go to the maid cafe. He's not like that, Mahalo. He's not into girls now.
Then why doesn't he?
Because we are walking so fast. Maganda ng mga sapatos nila dito. Oh. My gosh, yung Puma ba? I like that. Where do you want to go? Oh, sushi guys. In the snow. Oh. Gusto niya kasi na magkuha-kuha ng maniniyot ba siya. Gusto niya magkuha-kuha ng mga picture. Tapos kami, kabilis namin maglakad. Tapos pag nag-stop siya, kalayo na po namin. Hindi din namin malaman na nagkuha-kuha na pala siya ng mga video picture. Feeling ko naghanap na naman ng Nike yun. Sure lang. Ng mga pantalon niya. Hindi pa siya nakamove on. Kaya sabi ko bukas na lang. Kaya nandoon daw ang pinakamalaking Nike sa Harajuku. Ba yan ang tawag dyan? Hindi ko na talaga mapigilan. Kaganda ng sapatos guys. Pasok na muna ako. 15,800 at saka isang tag 18,000. Mahal man. Adidas tsaka Puma. How much is 15,800 yen, my love? Yeah, 15,800 yen. Can you see?
A little bit less than 100 euros. Let me see for you.
May sapatos pa man ako. Marami pa ako sapatos. Okay lang ako guys. Uy, huwag niyo ako alalahanin, di? Basta don't skip.
87 euros.
Oh, not bad. How about the 18,700? Maganda yun ba? Yung Puma yung ano, yung
103.
Ito yung Puma. Parang ano, 80. Ano, kano yung sabi niya? 80 plus? Ito naman, 103 euros. Pero meron din ibang kulay guys. Tingnan niyo. Adidas po siya. Ganda nun. Type ko din to oh. Very light yellow green siya. Pero alam niyo magkano? 23,100 yen. In fairness. On naman to. On cloud. Ang tawag ba dito? 23 people na lang daw in front of us. Kanina 28. Saglit lang yun. Pero wala akong binili guys na ano, sapatos. Tingin-tingin lang good. May problema kayo sa sapatos ko. Super comfy. Grabe. Kahit kunting ano, gasgas sa paa. Wala talagang sakit guys. Mas masakit pa ang likod ko. Sumakit pa ang likod ko kakalakad. Promise. No joke. Wawa man si Manong. Nagpahinga siya dyan guys. Ano siya, ampute bang tawag niyan? Ang paa niya ba? Nagpahingain tawon siya. Shin, marami mang ramen dito, hindi lang maichiran. Pero syempre yung experience natin sa Ichiran. Oh, what is that? Looks old. Old building. Tingnan niyo oh. Diba? Puro sabaw. Oh, puro ramen. Mga pupuntahan tayo mamaya. Kaya nag-ano ako Google. Where do you go to Shinjuku? Tingin tayo dito kung anong pagkain nila. Look at that. Oh, all the sushi in the world again. And all the steaks in the world. Ito yung ganito. Gusto ko din i-try. Oh. Idaten. Sa Idaten, sa may Asakusa ata meron. They have pizza. Oh. Yan ang mga pagkain nila sa loob. Tingnan nyo, meron dito. Sige siya hanap ng Nike. Ganito man yung gusto niya. Meron sa Uniqlo. Andito po kami magtingin-tingin lang. 20 na lang daw katao. Ganito. Hanap-hanap pa siya. Gusto niya yung may Nike. Talaga yung may chick dyan. Mga kabataan ngayon. Uy. Nung bata ako, never ako maging sa nanay ko guys. Ng pangdamit. Bahalang mga panty ko. Mga ano na, butas-butas na, maliit na masyado sa akin. Pati mga bra ko, alos araw-araw, 1 year gamitin. Kaya ako maghingi. Mga laruan, mga damit, wala. Anak ko ngayon, kakaiba. Look at the food. Ako food, ikaw food. It's not really Japanese, mahal. Look, there's beans and...
Look at the beer mass is German.
German.
The food is
Oh,
also
yeah. Yeah, this is German with the schnitzel.
Japanese style, but it's
Yeah.
schnitzel.
Yeah, gusto ko sa ano ba, Japan. Kaya mayroon talaga silang mga ganyan, model ng kanilang pagkain. And here, pizza.
Italian antipasti.
Yeah, Italia naman tong dito na side. Oh. Wow, I want that.
Nice how they make it that the
Yeah.
spoon is in the air.
Look at the spoon. Grabe, wala na kaming trip dito. Nagtingin-tingin ng pagkain. How about here? They also have here, mahal. What is this? Wow, Wagyu. Yummy. This is more Japanese. With the sushi, yeah, and Wagyu. This is what I really wanted to try. And then you will cook that yourself. Kay hilaw-hilaw pa yan siya. Meron silang stone. But it's with egg. So I cannot. Hilig ang mga Japanese sa egg. Halos, almost everything ng food nila may egg. Kita yun doon sa 7-Eleven. Kahit yung grilled lang nila na nasa sachet may egg. Kaya hindi ko po siya makain. Yung grilled chicken, kahit yung po nila, batikulon, may egg din. Pero yun lang din, simula nung nagpunta kami dito last time, never ako wag naman sana baka tayo ba, mababaan pa kung sa Bisaya. Never ako nagka-problema sa itlog, guys. Mahal, did we bring antihistamine? No. Do you have? I think you still have.
I think I have.
Yan siya ang nagdadala.
You want me to double check?
Palagi.
Because you're afraid you might get sick?
Yeah. Do you have? But I was telling them that also the last time I never had problems with egg here. We were always careful and always ask, tamago, no tamago. I think you have, mahal. Thank you. Palagi yan siya may dala.
Medicines in there.
What don't you get?
I said I don't get. You have your bag with you here always, but you don't have any medicines in there.
No.
No blood pressure medication, no antihistamine, no birth control, nothing.
Wait here. Wait here, mahal. Stop there. Sige, mama. Rich, alam mo ba? Bakit maghanap pa tayo ng ganun? Meron sa Uniqlo.
Pangit doon. Ang size doon ayoko.
Nah.
Still
So marami ka na
go.
picture doon. Nakita mo na yung Godzilla head or wala?
A question for both of you. Up until now, which place here in Japan was your favorite spot?
Now?
Up until now.
Up until now?
And then not from the last trip, only this trip.
Only this trip? We did not really explore here yet.
No, in Japan, not just here, anywhere in Japan. What was your favorite spot until now?
Tsukiji Market
Tsukiji Market?
for me.
And you?
Shibashi.
Huh? Where is that?
Like in the
The Nike.
Tombori, Shinsaibashi.
There.
The
No,
first
mine?
place.
The Dawn Robot Cafe.
Because nandun yung color mo. Gusto ko sana.
Hindi pa siya natapos sa pantalon niya, guys. Itsura namin dito, guys. Nagupo na kami. Sa labas lang to ng Ichiran. Nandun ng Ichiran. Still 13 pa daw. Patagal naman nila kumain. Daming ramen. Doon talaga tayo sa magpila. Dito walang pila.
country foods and good music.
Where is that? Music house. Second floor. Pagkatapos nito, saan tayo? Punta tayo sa Omoide. Maganda daw yan dyan. Omoide, Yokocho, Memory Lane. Punta na tayo doon. Kay 5 na lang daw. Doon na po kami maghintay. Gutom na baya. Ichiran. 7:45 na din pala. Kaya pala nagugutom na ako. Sila lang kasi nag-snack, nagkanin po si Derek at saka sinatan kanina. Tapos fried chicken. Ganyan ang kaitin natin, guys. Wait lang, not yet. Still 5. English. Yan ang nabayaran natin, guys. 5,860 yen. Para sa lahat na. Magpili tayo ngayon, guys, kung ano ang gusto natin para sa ramen. Ang richness. Rich or medium?
I don't like that.
Bebe.
Babe.
He doesn't like it with this.
Can you stand up?
No, you can let him sit naman. Let's try now, okay? Ayun na yung bintana nila, guys. Si Daniel may itlog. At meron din po tayong itlog. Pero maganda dito kasi ang itlog nila nakahiwalay. Ikaw pa ang mag-react. So dalhin natin to. We will bring this at home, mahal. Maybe you want to eat this tomorrow. Yeah, if you want to. Gusto mo itlog, Rich? My husband has 2 eggs, of course, and a hot dog, 1 hot dog. Si Derek naman, isang itlog kanya. We've got water here. Malamig na tubig. Ito ang pingganin natin. Ako nang magsubo sa kanya, tapos nag-order ako ng extra pork, extra lahat, pati extra noodle.
May pagkabre na dili mag-isi.
Ha? Malaki ng problema ng anak ko guys. Oh, order niya. Order niya. Si Daniel naman may extra din. Tayo din.
Saan na ipalito?
Thank you. Palamigan ko na si Nathan. Kanainit ang noodles niyan. Ako lang nagkuha na extra noodles.
Ano balot?
Ha? Parang balot. Parang balot daw ang sabaw kung si Derich pa. Look at that. I miss it. I miss this guys. I've been dreaming about this. Look at that. Sabaw mo na din. Rich ang in-order ko. Makapili ka ng not so rich, medium, or rich, or super rich. OA mo Inday Garnet, hindi siya OA, masarap talaga. Masarap masyado. Makabad trip. Sarap eh.
Ay, lagay sa bawal. Lalagyan ng bawal.
Huwag mo nalagyan. Hindi man inatan ito. Wow. What soup did you order, mahal? Rich?
Rich. And then a little bit more spicy than medium.
Yeah. Nag-order ako extra garlic. Kaya baka ayaw ni Nathan ba lang masyado garlic eh. Kain. Palamigin ko muna yung kay Nathan. Ako muna, no? Mas masarap siya, maraming garlic, guys.
Init yan. Init ito.
Hindi, malamig. Grabe guys, abot utok, abot utak ang kasarap. May masarap, may garlic with. Sutik man. Hindi niya pinalagyan ng garlic ang kanya. Ano daw to? Sabi niya kanina. Enjoying, mahal. Super yummy, ha? Very yummy for me. Did you put extra garlic? Super yummy with garlic.
I put one garlic clove, but I did not get extra garlic like you.
Sarap, Rich. Okay lang. Okay lang. Gusto mo? I-try. Busog na, he is already full.
Me too, but I really want this.
Sabi ko mag-order din siya, pero si Daniel gusto niya talaga i-try. Kaya hindi niya na-try last time. With sauce? Matcha sauce?
Yes.
Let's eat here before we go home, mahal, ha? Again. Yummy. Trying now, trying. How? How? Hindi ka ba? Yeah?
And a sort of refreshing taste
Ay, umusyo ka.
that I did not expect.
Yeah? Pinakain. Guys, hindi normal. Must try talaga. Maraming nagsasabi na hype lang daw ang Ichiran. Hindi, uy. Mas masarap pa to. Kaysa yung nakain ko sa Osaka, nasabi ko sa inyo na parang lasang batchoy. Ang lipstick, lumalaban. Mas masarap to. Mas gusto ko to. Yung anong hiling ko ngayon sa buhay, yung makakain ako dito na ako lang mag-isa. Bago tayo mag-uwi, gawin ko yan. Kaya, alam niyo yung gusto ko pa magsubo, tapos subuan ko na naman si Nathan. Ganon ba? Tapos maglamig na ang pagkain ko. Gusto ko yung 24/7 ba yung Ichiran? Ha? Abangan yan. Mura daw, sabi ni Daniel. So it's cheap, you think?
Between about 12 euros each, 3 persons.
Not bad.
But it's super yummy.
Nathan is tired already, mahal. Gusto niya na kami ang magtulak sa kanya. Ayaw niya ang kuya niya. Kaaway na naman sila, guys. May tingnan daw muna siya dito. Ano kaya yung ipabili niya? sila, strap ang gusto niyang bilhin. Wala po sila. Punta na tayo ngayon sa Omoide. Guys, look at all the people. They will go car hopping. He's asking about the Godzilla. We're also going there, Bebe. Later, you will see the Godzilla head.
Oh, I'm so full. I want to eat it. We ate so much today.
Huh? How?
With the
Tsukiji
Tsukiji
Market.
market, and then again now.
Mahal, that was
Then
our
we had
brunch.
snack in between.
You had snack. I did not have snack. Lakad-lakad muna kayo dyan ha, sa Shinjuku guys. Tingin-tingin.
This is the danger of taking a
Mga
Filipina
lights.
to Japan.
Why?
You will get Filipina type eating in Japan.
Look at all the lights there.
Oh, nice.
That's nice. Look at all the lights, baby love. It's like Christmas there. With all the Christmas in the tree. Wow. Japan. Beautiful. Look, baby love, there is a big cat on the screen there. Punta tayo dyan mamaya. Dyan pala yung big cat, guys. Hinahanap ko din po yan. Let's go there later, ha? With the big cat. Wow! Shinjuku. Big cat. Shinjuku. Do you like the Ichiran? You ate it all ba ya? Next time, Mama will ask you, Nathan, what do you want to eat? Maybe you can say, Ichiran. Ichiran. And not sushi. Sushi. Ichiran ha. Next time ha. Not sushi ha. I'm done with your sushi. Sushi always. Every day. Sushi. 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 No. No. Ala, look. Look. All the lights. All the lights. Oh. Oh, look. Vanilla truck. Color pink truck. That is beauty.
Mama,
Yes.
Mama, I want to eat sushi.
No, done with sushi. I'm done with sushi. I'm done. Hello guys, may Gucci. 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 No, I want Gucci, not sushi. Hello. Look. Malaki ang ano nila dyan. Ang kanilang pastor. Tapos dyan parang may banda. May naririnig ako. May tumutugtog. Shinjuku. Shinjuku. Hoy, you're going. You're going. You're moving.
Mama,
Yes.
Papa, what happening?
Oh, Papa is not here. Papa is there, up there with Kuya Derich. They went to the big camera.
Can we do some go?
Hmm?
Go?
Go? What do you mean?
Can we see the house from the monster?
The monster? That's not a monster. That's Godzilla.
No house from the monster.
That's not a monster. That's a Godzilla.
No, I want.
There's no monster
I
here.
want that.
Yeah, because you know what happened last time? We were here in Shinjuku and then we went to the Godzilla head. And then 5 minutes before that we arrived in the Godzilla head, you were sleeping. You were like, I'm sleeping, Mama. I don't want to see. Like that. So today you will see it, okay? No sleeping.
Okay, and then I eat sushi.
Look at that with all the big TV in the world. Wow. Bakit ganyan yan? Ano yan siya? Party? Ay, party club, guys. The two of us, we can make it if we try. Just the two of us. Ooh! Shinjuku! Yes! Japan! I love it! I feel so overwhelmed right now! Diyan yung pusa, guys. Hintayin natin yung pusa, ha? Cut the cat, guys! That's the famous cat mahal of Shinjuku. Oh! Nakita na talaga natin siya, guys. Sabi, lapit natin, be. May nag-rap doon. Kanya-kanya sila ng trip dito ng kanta. Let's go, my love! Tingin talaga sila sa cat. Ang isa dito, maniniyot lang. So, we are going to... Ay, this one! This one already, my love. If I'm right. This one. This one is the famous street. This is the Otayde Yumodo something. Omoide Yotkocho. Famous street, everyone. Look at that. Mga kainan to siya dito. Lahat kainan, guys. At inumanan. Mga fried, oh. Fried stuffs. Nice. I love it. Take a picture. Isang street lang to siya. Parang masarap kumain dito, oh. In fairness. My love. That's all. That's all. The famous street. And now
This is going to the head.
the head. Yeah, let's go to the head now. Oh, did you like it? Nice, ha? Famous street. Walang nagsagot, guys. Wala silang pakialam sa akin.
Kunin mo.
Alam mo na saan?
Where we go?
Look at that. Picture agad, picture it. He wants to take a picture. Si Daniel, masakit na daw ang paa. Kailangan na talaga nating makabili mamaya ng mga salon pass dyan. Kaya sabi ko nga sa inyo, ang paa ko, wala talagang kasakit-sakit. Ang likod ko yung, basta mamaya pakita ko sa inyo saan banda ang masakit, guys. Maglaba pa ba tayo? Baka nakalimutan ninyo. Wala na kaming damit. Kaganda, oh my gosh. Wow. I so love Japan. He was asking me if he can eat ice cream. I told him no because it's cold and it's night already and he had already ice cream today. I told him different na lang and then he said candy. I said yes. And then he kissed me. I'm so happy. I'm so kiss talaga siya. Are you so happy that you'll get candy? Oh, okay. Ay, sus. Dana? Dito papunta yung Godzilla head, everyone. Kadami na namang Pinay na nakita ko dito. Bakit ganito man tong lighting sa Japan? Uy, makabad trip. Makabad trip, baka ganda. There! I saw it now! Here, Papa, here. Oh! Do you see? You see, bebe? Oh, doon ka. Dali, mag-picture ka doon.
Go to the other side.
Yeah. To the other side, so we can really see. Tingnan mga naga-picture dito. Wow, you see that, guys? Maliit lang siya, uy. You see, bebe, or not? That's the Godzilla. You see it or not? Yeah, the head. The head of the Godzilla. Wow. There. Yan na siya, guys. Nagsilip. Little bit up. The Godzilla head. Is that a monster?
Huh?
Is that a monster? There's a Family Mart there, mahal. We can buy the detergent. Yun. Feeling ko kayo maglaba kami. Maglaba kami ngayon pag uwi. Bahala na late. Kay bukas para hindi maubos ang time natin maglaba sa umaga. Maglaba daw siya today. Tapos sabi ni Daniel, Wala daw siyang nakita na sabon doon. Imposible naman na walang sabon doon, guys. Magdala ba? Pero kung panood nyo to, ano na dyan? Ano na ba? 2027 na? Saka late? Graduation ng mga anak? Or ano na ngayon? Christmas na? Ito talaga, sinusumpa nyo na naman ako sa pagka-late ng mga video.
My favorite store is here.
Don't you? Oh yeah, dun dun dun, Quixote. Dito pala si Don Quixote. Oh. Alam ko talaga, galit na naman kayo sa akin. Kay late ang mga vlogs natin. Para pag uwi ng Netherlands, makapagpahinga si Inday. Ganyan talaga. Where's the Rich? Rich?
I see him instead there behind
Still taking picture? Oh yeah.
Go there.
I know, let's go Family Mart first, ma. Let's buy him a candy. Okay, para mabuhay itong kalamnan niya, guys. Matulog doon pagdating natin. Makatakot pag ngayon niya natulog, magising doon. Pasok muna tayo sa Family Mart. Now, show us, B. Nathan wants this daw, guys. Look. It's strawberry covered with white chocolate. Really? That's what you want?
Yes.
Now, we look pa, we look. We look more. Tingin si Daniel ng mga mani. Ikaw, Rich, doon na lang tayo magbili? Classy ang spam, Rich, oh. May spam sila na ganyan.
So, doon na mo.
Doon na?
Dala sa train.
Medyo malayo pa kasi to. Magdala-dala sa frame. Is the strawberry there? Wow, strawberry, guys. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Bye-bye, Shinjuku. Maraming salamat. Iba din ang mga outfit of the day nila dyan. Naman, ramen. Kahit saan naman talaga ang ramen talaga. Look at Papa.
Marshmallow and nut.
Oh, taste like marshmallow. Tinanong ko siya anong lasa nung kinain niya. Taste like marshmallow with?
Nothing.
With nothing?
Yes.
Is with strawberry and then you say nothing. Hello.
Okay. A marshmallow and strawberry.
Okay, where's your Papa? Where's your daddy? We're in Ueno. Lakad na naman papunta ng apartment, guys. Pinaglululoko lang natin ang mga sarili natin dito. Papagod-pagod lang, pero maganda. Ay pagod ang lugar. Walang katapusang convenience store, guys. Dito tayo kay mas malapit man to sa amin. Bahala, marami ang bilihin natin, no? Tingnan natin, di baka wala kung itlog. Parang masarap, Big pork dumpling. Ito lang talaga ang nakita ko, walang itlog. Offal and beef large intestine.
4 graden warmer dan dat het vandaag was.
Video call sa oma niya.
Laat niet terugzien.